Does the train go somewhere?
Huh?
Where does it go?
Around.
Around where? That's pretty intense. That's really intense. Dude, that's amazing. There's Pikachu. Pikachu's riding the train. You see this? Pikachu is riding the train. I hope you know that. Ah. Oh, hello, ducks. Kristen. Quack, quack, quack. Look, kid, watch me. What the hell?
Are you recording it? I'm eating right now. My dad's flight got delayed, so yeah.
Do I look like my overalls with my curly belly top?
Yes. I saw an African people. It's not so racist. You were watching the Zambia video? And you watched drums?
I rode a roller coaster and I didn't like it at
I saw a
all.
hot guy in a kilt. He looks like Casper, by the way. That's why I was like, he works here too. Hi.
Hi.
We'll have to go back and eat there.
Hi.
Hi. Have fun with your little trip.
I love you.
Yeah, I know it was loud. I heard myself down. I'm like, oh.
Bye bye. Love you. That was weird. It was like, I was like, what? I was like, huh?